Is YouTube TV a subscription? Let's clarify. Yes, YouTube TV is a subscription-based service. It provides access to live TV channels, including sports, news, and entertainment, along with features like unlimited DVR storage and multi-device streaming. As of 2023, the monthly fee is around $75, making it one of the pricier live TV streaming options. Unlike free or ad-supported platforms like Pluto TV or Tubi, YouTube TV requires a recurring payment for uninterrupted access. However, it offers a free trial for new users, typically about 7 days, to test the service before committing. If you're looking for live TV without a traditional cable subscription, YouTube TV is a convenient option, but it's important to ensure it fits your budget and viewing needs. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks.